Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about 5 marks important questions on invertible functions from the chapter relations and functions. Okay, so in the previous video we already discussed about 1 and onto functions, which is of 5 marks. In today's videos we will work out directly towards how to prove the given function is invertible functions or not, and hence find its inverse. So here are the some questions in front of you. So in your NCERT textbooks you are going to have hardly 5 to 6 questions which are on invertible functions. Okay na? So if you practice very well, definitely their 5 marks will be yours. So here are the questions. We'll solve one by one. So the first question here. So what is given? The given function f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, where the function is defined from set of natural numbers to set y, where y is the set containing natural numbers which is of 4x plus 3 in terms of y. You have to show that the given function is invertible and also find its inverse. Of a function. Clear? So here, in order to prove the given function is invertible, I will give you some important shortcuts method. So first step is you have to write your given function f of x. Then in the second step, consider your given function y. Instead of f of x you write y. So write y is equal to f of x. In the third step, convert or express y in terms of x. Convert or express your y value and in terms of x. In the fourth step, after finding the x value, you have to write it as g of y. I will tell you why it is. Okay, so write x equal to g of y. And the fifth step, you have to find fog function and gof value. Fog and gof value you find out madbekagutte. That is, first thing, if you take out gof can be written as what? G of f of x. So you have to show that gof is always equal to x. See, one thing is f is always connected with x. Therefore, you have to show gof is equal to x. In the seventh step, you have to show fog is equal to f of g of y. So already you know how to write this, because g is related with what? Y. So you have to write f of g of y. You have to show that is equal to y. So after showing gof is equal to x and fog is equal to y, you can write your given function f of x is invertible. F of x is invertible function. If f of x is invertible, then your g of y will be the f inverse. So this is how you have to find the given function's inverse, and you have to show it is invertible. These are the easy methods to follow in order to prove the given function is invertible or not. Let's go through this directly. So first question ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So this question is asked in March 2014, March 2019, and also same question is asked in the year of 2015, 2017, 19 and 2020, but only changes they have made about what? Domain and codomain part. Okay, ನೋಡಿ first question solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. First step, you need to write your given function. Okay, given that your function f is defining from set of natural numbers to set y. Okay, so what is given there? So f of x is given that is equal to 4x plus 3, right? So in the next step, consider ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ವಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4x plus 3. So write your f of x as equation number 1. So that is important. So f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 I have considered as equation number 1, and write your f of x in terms of y. Then in the third step you need to find your x. ಅಂದರೆ y ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು x in terms express ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That I will write here. y plus 3 I will shift here. It will become minus 3. That is equal to 4x, or I can write this as 4x equal to y minus 3. Otherwise you can write x equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay. Then in the fourth step, consider your x as what? G of y. Your x as what? G of y. That is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. So always remember x will be equal to g of y agutte, because g is the function which is inverse of f. Okay, so take it this g of y value as equation number 2. Right, simple step ide. First f of x annu workout ಮಾಡಿ. f of x is equal to y anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then convert your y in terms of x. After getting x, denote it by what? G of y. That is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. In the next step, find your, in order to prove the given function is invertible, fog and goff function ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here I will consider my goff function, that is consider g of f. So goff can be written as what? G of f of x. Clear? So goff can be written as g of f of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you have to show goff is equal to x and fog is equal to y. If you show these two conditions, definitely your function will be invertible ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is equal to g of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ f of x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here they have given f of x. So here my f of x is 4x plus 3 ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. So in place of f of x you have to write 4x plus 3. That's it. Then you have to check out as it is. So I have written g of 4x plus 3. Now this function starts with what? g of anta ide alva. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ g of y function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು in place of y ನೀವು ಏನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x plus 3 ನ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ g of y ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y minus 3 divided by 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ, ಸೊ g of y ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ y minus 3 divided by 4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ g of 4x plus 3. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ y, ಸೊ y ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x plus 3ನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್, ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y minus 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ y ಅಂದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 4x plus 3ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ y minus 3 divided by 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4x divided by 4. ಅಗೇನ್ 4 will get cancel, you will get x. In other words, you have proved goff is equal to x. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Then consider your fog function. Already you have considered goff, then consider fog. So here, so I will write here fog. Consider fog function, that is equal to f of, so in terms of g you write g of y. Clear? So always remember f ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ x ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and g is always connected with y. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ g ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ g ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ f of g of y, ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y. that is equal to f of, so here in place of g of y you have to write the value of g of y. Clear? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ g of y ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y minus 3 divided by 4 ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ ಸೊ g of y is nothing but you have to write y minus 3 divided by 4 clear next step see what I'm going to do here so clearly we know that so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು f of something ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ so my function is what f of x so f of x equal to ಏನಿದೆ 4x plus 3 ಇದೆ clear so 4x plus 3 in place of x ನೀವೇನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ y minus 3 divided by 4 ಅಂತ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ so take this value here 4 times of so ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ y minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3 ಅಂತ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ that I will write here it is 4 times of x so x ಅಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು you have to write y minus 3 divided by 4 ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ 4x plus 3 ಇದೆ ಸೊ this is 4x plus 3 ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು ಸೊ now it is 4 and 4 will get cancel after that minus 3 plus 3 will get cancel remaining will be what y so now I got fog is equal to y ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ now you take this as equation number 4 so now we have proved that golf is equal to x and fog is equal to y this implies my function f is invertible with its inverse there exists its inverse g of y so g of y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ given function inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ that will be what y minus 3 divided by 4 so this is the easy way how you have to prove the given function is invertible and how to find its inverse so g of y is nothing but your f inverse so ide inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so these are the easy step you can easily get 5 marks fixed question so go through this we'll move towards next question okay so next question we'll see